Welcome back to the Twingo, guys. Today I'm actually gonna take it to TÜV and hopefully pass TÜV because then I can register it, get it out of the driveway, and then we'll probably put it to Benny's because he has a lift and he can do things a lot easier. And he volunteered to look at the drivetrain noise, like the either drive shaft or wheel bearings. And he has a press and he has a lift and all the good stuff and air tools, you know. So yeah, he can do a lot better than I do with this. And I'm running kind of out of time here, so yeah, but it's otherwise fixed, really. As a first start, before I go to TÜV, I'm going to take all these tires out. Still need to actually look into a place. These are short, these need to go away. The wheels, though, are, I think, normal Twingo wheels. Not nice, but they are actual ones, so I might keep them. I will still want to put these tires on these wheels, so... But that's not today. What I'm going to do is put some license plates on it. Screws should be in here. Yep. Okay. And then I'll take it and the papers to TÜV and hopefully have it registered. License plate holders are courtesy of my favorite shitbox dealer right now. And yeah, so let's get that going. Here we are at my favorite TÜV station. Well, that isn't TÜV actually, so Twingo is getting checked right now. Let's hope for the best. Because, well, we fixed things, but we only had a preliminary check. So who knows, could be more things, but I don't think so. I don't hope so, because I'm ready to get rid of that thing. I don't need it anymore. So, see you in a few minutes. Well, the Twingo just didn't get TÜV. Because, as you can see here, we found a little bit more rust on the bottom of it. Driver's side front corner of the rocker looked like a tiny little thing. The last guy didn't see it. He saw it today and he's like, well, looks kind of small, you might want to have a look at this. And then he shows me, puts his finger on it, and finger goes through. And now it's a bit bigger, and yeah. So yeah, papers, yes, TÜV, no. Back home we go. And I'm back home with the naughty Twingo. This time around it's getting the battery tender treatment because the Astra had enough of it. So that's why this is open and this is connected. Let's see, can we use this again? Probably can. Come on. There you go. Just like that. It's connected. It's doing a thing. It is. Let's disconnect, quote unquote, this. Swoop. Coolant is still where it should be. Nice. Good. Fine. Good enough. Yeah. The naughty hole is down here. Let's turn some light on and go around the corner here. See, it's fine. It's a hole. It's not fine. Yeah. So, unfortunately, that means no TÜV for you. Yeah, no TÜV for you also means can't register it right now, which is a bummer. I might take this to the dealer where I bought this from, because he offered me to fix things I can't really fix, like he offered me to weld maybe on this little hole, so I'll ask him if he can do that one for me too, because that would be really nice. I also noticed that these are the wheels that were on there. They're not OEM wheels, they're some aftermarket cheap ones, and those are 14-inch. Well, those are 13s. Plus, while they look really good, they have plenty of life left in them. Like, really nice life left in them. They also don't seem visually old, like they don't seem like they're cracking and stuff. But they are actually quite old. They're 10 years old. I looked on the DOT number on the inside. So, not great. And these, I mean, have a look. Can you focus on that? Yeah, you see all those lovely cracks. Yeah, these are all the dead. Yeah, these are dead. These are newer, but they're dead. These are Toyos. They're actually decent tires with an age of... Toyo is hiding it. Inside, 2014. So these are newer than these by 3 years, but I mean, look at that. Look at those cracks all along. There's a nice damage there too. These are dead. Yeah, these are dead. These don't have any of these marks, but they are also 10 years old, which is a bummer. So I'm not sure what to do about that. Oh, nice little ding there. Okay, oh well. These though, not great, but they would pass TÜV. They also don't show any cracking that I can see that he complained about. They have plenty of life left in them. And they are, brand-wise, yeah, some cheap stuff too. And they're the newest one of the bunch, 2015. Nice. So these might just stay on there. So that unfortunately concludes the update for the Twingo in a negative way. Definitely not how I was hoping for it when I started this video. So bad Twingo, but oh well. I'll keep you posted on how I fixed that situation.